Yoga types. Yoga is an ancient practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, meditation, and ethical principles. It offers numerous benefits, including improved flexibility, strength, balance, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. With many different styles of yoga available, each with its unique focus and approach, it can be helpful to understand the differences to find the best fit for your needs and preferences. This video provides an overview of some of the most popular types of yoga. Hatha yoga. Hatha yoga is a general category that includes most yoga styles. It focuses on physical postures, asanas, and is ideal for beginners due to its slower pace and emphasis on basic poses. Gentle introduction to basic yoga poses. Focus on alignment, breath, and relaxation. Suitable for all levels, especially beginners. Improves flexibility and strength. Promotes relaxation and stress relief. Vinyasa yoga. Vinyasa yoga, also known as flow yoga, emphasizes a dynamic and fluid sequence of poses synchronized with the breath. Each movement is linked to an inhale or exhale. Continuous flow of postures. Creative and varied sequences. Builds strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular fitness. Enhances coordination and balance. Promotes a sense of fluidity and grace. Ashtanga yoga. Ashtanga yoga is a rigorous and structured style that follows a specific sequence of poses in a set order. It is physically demanding and suited for those seeking a challenging practice. Fixed series of postures. Focus on breath, bandhas, energy locks, and drishti, gaze. Builds strength, stamina, and discipline. Develops physical and mental strength. Enhances focus and concentration. Iyengar yoga. Iyengar yoga, developed by BKS Iyengar, emphasizes precise alignment and the use of props, blocks, straps, blankets to support proper posture and prevent injury. Detailed attention to alignment. Long holds in each pose. Use of props for support and modification. Improves posture and alignment. Increases body awareness and precision. Bikram yoga, created by Bikram Chowdhury, consists of a fixed sequence of 26 postures and 2 breathing exercises performed in a heated room, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Set sequence of 26 poses, practiced in a heated environment. Promotes detoxification and flexibility. Enhances flexibility and endurance. Encourages detoxification through sweating. Hot yoga. Similar to Bikram yoga, hot yoga is practiced in a heated room but does not follow a fixed sequence of poses. It can include various styles and sequences. Practice in a heated room. Variable sequences and styles. Intense and sweat-inducing. Increases flexibility and detoxification. Boosts cardiovascular fitness. Kundalini yoga. Kundalini yoga focuses on awakening the Kundalini energy, believed to be coiled at the base of the spine. It combines postures, breathwork, chanting, and meditation. Emphasis on breathwork and meditation. Dynamic movements and postures. Incorporation of mantras and chanting. Enhances spiritual awareness and consciousness. Balances energy and promotes inner peace. Yin yoga. Yin yoga involves holding passive poses for extended periods, 3 to 5 minutes or longer, to target the deep connective tissues, ligaments, and joints. Long-held passive poses focus on deep stretching and relaxation. Targets connective tissues and joints. Increases flexibility and joint mobility. Promotes deep relaxation and stress relief. Restorative yoga. Restorative yoga uses props to support the body in passive poses, allowing for deep relaxation and stress relief. It is gentle and calming, suitable for all levels. Use of props for support. Long holds in relaxing poses. Focus on relaxation and recovery. Reduces stress and promotes relaxation. Aids in recovery and healing. Power yoga. Power yoga is a vigorous and fitness-based approach to Vinyasa-style yoga. It emphasizes strength, flexibility, and stamina through dynamic movements and sequences. Intense and fast-paced, builds strength, flexibility, and endurance. Focus on fitness and athleticism. Improves cardiovascular fitness and muscle tone. Enhances strength and flexibility. Anusara yoga. Anusara yoga, founded by John Friend, focuses on alignment principles and heart-opening poses. It integrates a philosophy of celebrating the joy of life. Emphasis on alignment and heart opening. Positive and uplifting philosophy. Integration of body, mind, and spirit. Promotes alignment and balance. Encourages a joyful and positive outlook. Jivamukti yoga. Jivamukti yoga, created by Sharon Gannon and David Life, combines vigorous Vinyasa sequences with spiritual teachings, chanting, and meditation. Dynamic and challenging sequences. Incorporation of chanting and meditation. Emphasis on ethical and spiritual teachings. Enhances physical and spiritual well-being. Promotes compassion and mindfulness. Yoga offers a wide range of styles to suit different preferences, fitness levels, and goals. Whether you seek physical fitness, mental clarity, spiritual growth, or stress relief, there is a type of yoga that can meet your needs. Exploring various styles can help you find the practice that resonates with you, promoting overall health and well-being. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen, and consider working with a certified yoga instructor to ensure proper form and technique. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.